Alamak Pagi everyone. We're up on Mount Batur, a volcano, here for the sunrise. Unfortunately the rain is going to obscure the sunrise this morning, but the jeeps, holy hell, I didn't think that it would be that popular or that many people doing this, but yeah, pretty cool. So the top is up there, so if you're doing the jeep tour, you can only stay here and you can't actually walk up to the very top, which is up there. But yeah, Kintamani looks good, very busy. The jeep journey on the way up was treacherous. It was alright though. It was a bit of fall driving fun. So this is the jeep that we went in. Yeah. So the sunrise is in a few minutes, but because it's misty and it's been raining, you're probably not going to catch any of that at all. Yeah. It's insane. It'd have to be like, I don't know, 500 jeeps or something. Oh yeah, and if you come up here, the toilets are down there. It's $1 to go to the toilet. So make sure you bring some cash up. Hi guys, I got footage of going up the volcano, but yeah, it was too dark, so I will put in some clips of that, but mostly of going down because it's lighter now. But yeah, if you like it, like and subscribe. Cheers guys, sampai jumpa lagi. Speed demon. Alright, back in the jeep.
Yeah. You go first because you're on the other side. That took me time to wake up. Alright.
Climbing in. Hati. in the lava field of Mount Batur. All this volcanic rock is from the eruption in 1969, I think it was. The last eruption from the volcano was in 2000. Check it out. It is so sharp, this rock. It's like another world. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's like a crater there. Oh. It's quite porous. It's like walking on another planet. Look at that. It's like silvery. Wow. That's crazy. Sharp. I wonder if it's radioactive rock. Oh, check out that crater. Holy shit. Wow.